So yes guys, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepa and this is Divine Tarot by Deepa Sri. Dude, where am I? Where am I? Which part of the world is Deepa? Yeah, so my birthday, dude. This is my first birthday that I'm celebrating abroad. I am in Pattaya here, and today you guys are seeing me shoot in my, in my Osmo. Yeah, and yeah, so it's been 2 days, and let me tell you the number of brands that send me birthday gifts and all of that. I got so much gifts from my clients, dude. Yeah, that was so happy. Yeah, so touchwood, it was stunning. It was an amazing birthday. So where am I? Yeah, so I am in this resort called Anna Ann Resort. So this is a little bit sponsored, resort for me. It's a 5-star stay. It has a private beach, and I'm very excited to do scuba diving and also, let's see, the paragliding or something like that. I just love adventure, yeah, okay? Anything to do with water, and it's the scorpion season, yes. So, the minute I just came, I had my margarita. I cannot be without my margarita. Yeah, so I'm waiting for my soulmate to join me. Till then, I thought let me shoot this video. So my soulmate is on his business trip, and that's how Thailand, came up. Yeah, so actually I always wanted to see Thailand with me. This is what I tell you guys. Go live out, go do what you love. Stop waiting for your twin, for your divine masculine, for everything. Yeah, so very excited to be here. Yeah, so you have to watch my other channel. Let me tell you, dude, I am blessed, touch wood. I'm keeping my energy sane, keeping the brand deals that I'm doing. I'm very choosy, very particular, and all of that. I'm trying to balance my work and all of that. The main thing that I changed is my sleep routine. I really worked on my sleep routine, and because I'm shooting in a DSLR, you would see a lot of difference here from the phone. So let's see how this video is. By the time I edit and post this video, I will already be in India. So my trip to India is another 5 days to go. Yeah, so let's get into the balcony. Yeah, so I think the last video you guys saw was in Ireland. So wherever I can, I always try to shoot. So I'm gonna flip you guys first and then show you. Okay, so this is, you have the private balcony, you have the beach, private beach. You can hear the waves, right? And it's a little bit very good weather today. Actually, when I landed, it was raining like crazy. So today the weather is also super good. Yeah, very nice. So this has gimbal, so it automatically changes. I don't know why I waited so much to actually buy this, because I travel so much. Yeah, and just look at the breeze, dude. The breeze, the hawa. Yeah, so anyway, let's sit down. And I always tell you that I carry my pocket tarot cards. So let's see how much ever I can fast we'll shoot. Okay, and after this I'm going into the pool, the beach. Yes, I just came an hour back and I quickly had my lunch. Yeah, so the minute these people saw me, so everything is sponsored here. So not everything I would tell you. Yeah, it was an accidental deal. It is for another video. Yeah, so how did I bag this? How does Deepa do all this? How does Deepa manage all this? How does Deepa do all these miracles? Yeah, so we're gonna sit down. Let me find a spot, and we're gonna shoot some good content. Yeah, with the cards, obviously. The card is the heroine. Yeah. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so I took the spot. I kept you guys, so that you can enjoy the view. The view is everything. If you're a water sign like me, you're gonna love the view. Okay, so I'm using the the Urban Tarot. These are my travel decks, my mini size travel decks that I love to carry. Yeah. So let's see what's going on and what's happening. Yeah, in the energy belt in the space. Okay. So it's supremely humid here, let me tell you, but the weather today is supremely good. The 2 days I was in Bangkok, dude. Bangkok is another world. I love Bangkok, I loved it. But Pattaya is again a very good a holiday place. If you're a water sign like me, you will love it as well. Yeah, anyway, okay. Can you hear the wave sound? It's so beautiful. Yeah, I don't know why it took me so much time to buy my Osmo. I was buying everything else but not the Osmo. Okay, with this, my phone is free, and very soon I plan to take the 17 Pro Max as well. Yeah, so whenever an iPhone launches something, I'm not in that rush slot, and my 14 was super lucky for me. I took it 3 years ago. I'm not actually upgrading. I'm buying another because I'm always content shooting, so I want one phone exclusively for my content. Yeah. And you have this Osmo as well. It's so lightweight. I've shot so much haul videos. I've shot all the travel of my Thailand trip. So yeah, so generally when anybody start going foreign, the first place that they go is Thailand, right? So I have traveled all the Europe, all the UK and all, and then coming to Thailand. But yeah, so let's see. Okay, so what do we have? Fortitude. Yeah. So I'm seeing here, to me, it sounds like gratitude, right? So, your divine masculine energy. Actually, if you tell me, even the divine feminine energy, especially, if you're the orange and green auras, you are living in a lot of gratitude. And actually, let me tell you, my energy is also that, yeah? So the one thing that I need to upgrade is a, taller tripod for this. But this is the Chutku tripod that it comes with. This is supremely handy, let me tell you. So let's see, you can't but heighten this, so I'm still upgrading, bear with me. Yeah, anyway, okay. So what does fortitude talk about? So it talks a lot about gratitude. It talks a lot about your thankfulness. Yeah, and I'm seeing mainly the divine feminine in this because because to reach in this space in life, to reach at this point in life, I worked a lot hard. And let me tell you, I battled so many purple auras, and I battled so much criticism and all of that. The one thing I can tell you, being gold aura, I feel like gold is something that is tested a lot because it's a lot to do with inner union. So you have to really battle, many people ask me, how am I so confident, what is my confidence secret and all of that. So during that cases, I really feel that gold is an inspiration for your inner union. Yeah. And it is, yeah. So I'm seeing that a lot of gratitude, a lot of thankfulness. I'm feeling like you are connecting a lot with the universe, yeah, which talks about this connecting with the nature. Yeah. The next thing we have is oppression. So whatever your divine masculine was suppressing till now, and I've seen this with V, it bursts out tenfold. Yeah. And especially I've seen the blue aura suppresses the most. Dude, the water sound, I'm going crazy. I'm unable to concentrate. I just go gaga when I'm near water. You cannot control me. Yeah. And I think this is the first video I'm shooting in such a space. Yeah. So touchwood, a lot of gratitude. Oh my god, I just saw a feather going. I don't know if it came in the camera. Okay, anyway, so I see whatever your person was oppressing, whatever your person was suppressing, yeah, it, this card talks about it, gives me that Breaking Bad kind of vibes, or the Prison Break kind of vibes. Yeah. So okay, so you have the rock star, Knight of Wands. Yeah. So whatever your person was, Knight of Wands talks about taking out frustration, or whatever wrong things are happening in his life. Somewhere these divine masculines happening in their life, in the divine masculine's life, somewhere all this divine masculines feel like it is because of the divine feminine. Yeah. somewhere that frustration comes out on, you know, the divine feminine. Yeah, if you see, this is one of those unique cards that has a rock star vibe. It's giving me the rock star movie, you know, Sada Hak Ette Rak, you know, that kind of vibes. Yeah, so I'm seeing like a lot of that, you know, because this is followed by oppression and the Knight of Wands. I'm seeing like whatever your person was, you know, suppressing even talent here. So because I spoke in my previous video that the divine masculine also have a lot of, you know, career change, career switch, career, you know, things going on. Yeah, like the divine feminine, even the divine masculine have a lot of, you know, career, what do you say, changes. Yeah, so that I'm seeing like the talent of the divine masculine. For example, if I have to talk a lot about talent, white aura is, you know, supreme in this, because my dad, I've seen what A class talent my dad had. Yeah, so being, you know, my dad being white aura, so I see that very significantly in, you know, the white auras. White auras have supreme talent. Yeah, so a lot to do with talent. So the oppressed talent, because this is followed by oppression. Yeah, so whatever talent, oh god, I need to be careful. If these cards are going, they're going straight, you know, 7 floors down. Okay, anyway, because there is wind also, I'm gonna keep this so that they don't fly. Okay, so whatever, I feel like, you know, that is a sign that your person really wanted to, you know, flourish and all of that. And I've seen that because white is such a pure color. And let me tell you, white has become one of my favorite colors, you know, especially the all white look. The all white look which I did for my birthday, also all white look which I did for, you know, what do you say, my UK trip when I was in Birmingham, and all of that. Like, you know, last year birthday I did this pearl white dress. So all of that. So white, you know, whenever person wears white, for especially because I'm moon exalted, it kind of represents the color of purity. And I've always somehow, like, you know, avoided wearing white because I'm really scared of, you know, what if makeup gets stuck and all of that. But I've learned that for that moment, I think I'm okay, because you can give it for dry wash or whatever XYZ later. So that freedom came in, that freeness came in. All those suppressed thoughts are no longer there. So I see that energy in your divine masculine, especially the white aura. I'm connecting very much today with white aura. Oh my god, did we get a change? Very number 5 energy, Mercury energy. Someone here is into fitness, Zumba, you know, training, dance, something to do with that, like me traveling. Yeah, other day I posted on a lot dance videos on my birthday, and everybody were like, you know, they missed seeing that in me. And let me tell you, I've learned and understood that everything has timing in life, and you have to respect time. Time is nothing but your Shani, so you have to respect Shani. Shani teaches you the importance of patience, how much patience is needed in life. And especially the patience word, why am I using is, you know, there is a saying, right? Patience is a virtue. Yeah, is because in this journey the timing is, you know, tested a lot. Whenever, you know, I am so calm and balanced, in fact I've reached at a point now that the life with my soulmate is, you know, I don't mind, because in 3D, in 5D, I've connected so much with V that it feels like he's always around me, and I feel V also feels the same thing. Let me tell you, I've understood that everything has its own sweet time. You have to respect it. For my folks on third party, for especially if you see in a V story, he's also in a third party, because I want to give up on my soulmate when if it happens naturally, or it happens at its own time, and if it's written in the destiny, and it is the change, that I am okay. Yeah, if right now if you ask Deepa, I don't want it, because I'm so much still attached to my soulmate. Yeah, so it's all about this reality. It's all about this mirror. It's, you know, if you say twin flame journey, it's very strongly connected with mirror, right? So see yourself in the mirror and ask this question, you know, till you reach at a point that you don't want anybody else in your life, till, you know, you don't get the twin flame. Because I have seen that when I was devotedly waiting, there was nothing happening there. Only the minute that I started, because I'll tell you, maybe this is a change, this is a jog that we needed. Yeah, so this is how you accept. This is a reality check. And let me tell you, I want you to connect to my videos, because I have seen that in this journey, apart from gold, till you don't meet another gold aura, the other auras are very critical, judgmental. Yeah. So I want to tell you that you are nobody to tell what is right, what is wrong. You have to let life take you its own way, like a wave. Yeah. So I've learned that it's very important. Yeah. Let me tell you, before my birthday, on my birthday also, I was having a very bad cold, supreme bad cold. I think I got cold after like 6 months or something. Touch wood, with my lifestyle changes, I somehow, because I am Rohini Nakshatra, obviously I will have, sinus cold issues. Yeah, because moon gets exalted. So for me, 3 days I was having fever. Oh my god, it was very tough to actually, come, because it started like full on. I can't handle cold. Yeah, in Hyderabad it started fully cold. Somehow, I'll tell you, because I had a lot of work. Somehow I, packed. I just came back from my farmhouse. Hardly I had time. I just had 4 days, and then I rushed up to this trip for my birthday trip. Yeah, so I was still skeptical, should I cancel my tickets, am I not feeling well? But then I'm like, I got on the flight. Luckily it's just a 4-hour flight, so I got on the flight, I came, I reached here. It was raining like crazy here. Yeah, and I was scared, like maybe this is the weather here. Yeah, so let me tell you, this humid weather kind of, balanced me. Still I have some cough, yeah, which I'm taking cough syrup. Yeah, so, and here, dude, I'm not much of a beer person. I don't generally booze. Yeah, but on my birthday, it's my birthday, so I can have a drink and a two. So I tried the beer. Let me tell you, I loved the beer here. I'm not much fan of a beer. I don't like beer, but the beer here, dude, the quality is so good. Like, it's their local beer. I felt it very nice. I felt like having, I had 2 glasses, dude. I felt like having, Deepa, this is you. So a lot of changes are happening even in you, Divine Feminine. Yeah, okay, so what do we have? Abundance. More of like 3 of Cups card, right? A lot of abundance, 9 of Cups. Yeah, so I'm seeing a lot of celebration. Yeah, and I have realized, like, for example, I always wanted to see Thailand with V. Always. Somehow, because he likes Thai food or something like that. But I decided that no, Deepa, you're just going out, living your life. This is the inspiration that I want to give you guys. That don't stop your things for anybody. There were many of this, me being me, I kept so many of my outfits and all of that. I just don't want to. If it's meant to be, I don't want to hold. See, I'll tell you, if you're holding something, it is like holding something in the timeline, like in the time loop. Yeah, you're holding it, you're keeping it. So you have to release it. And I've learned this, this art of releasing so much in this journey. So much, after I achieved inner union, after I have achieved, karmic victory, after I've learned to battle the purple energy. Let me tell you why I keep telling this purple energy. Because I have seen that I am somebody that met all the auras, and let me tell you, with gold, everybody, meet. Because gold is something that mixes with every color. Yeah, and let me tell you, the gold craze that went on in the past 3 months, I knew this would come, because Jupiter is getting exalted. I knew that, people would go crazy, because Jupiter and Rahu are aspecting each other. Yeah, so, and Rahu is what? Because I'm born on a 4. Rahu is like desire, craze. Why do people, have this craze on me? Why they keep seeing? Especially a number 4. 4, 13, 21, 22, 31. These 4, like, you have a craze for these people. You want to see what they're up to. What are they doing? Because Rahu drives you to do that. Rahu is like a hypnotist. He keeps you like entertained. Like, what are these people up to? What are they doing? So, 4, especially being born on a 4, what was I saying? I blanked out. Okay. So Rahu talks about, a lot of desire. So I knew that this gold craze would come, yeah, and it would die down also. I knew that, yeah. Let me tell you, but gold will be at a top peak. I'm telling about gold metal, yeah. So gold is a color that interacts so much. When I tell purple aura, when I want to make that video before I end this 2025. And I'll tell you why it is important. See, I'm not telling it's a bad aura. But the qualities in this particular aura is what I've studied. Like, every aura, for example, if I have to pick gold, what would be the con? Yeah. Pros, Pros, let me tell you, I have seen that. I'm not telling this because I am a gold aura, but I've seen a lot of pros in gold and orange in this journey. And next I would give it to red, yeah, because they are ultimately the color of Mars. Okay, then let me talk about, see, I am nobody to judge, but I am being on a very neutral base, on a psychic level, decoding this journey, talking about this journey, yeah. So why do I associate with purple being this color, especially when let me tell you, when I was flying from Hyderabad to Bangkok, it was a daytime flight, so luckily I was in business class, so I got a lot of space to shoot. So I caught a rainbow on a freaking flight, and let me tell you, and my manifestation of an empty seat was still intact. So my empty seat, I still had my empty seat beside me. So it's crazy. So I got a rainbow. And why do I associate, for especially purple means what? Violet aura. Yeah, it's a very, for example, that is one of my colors in, if I have to pick flowers, or if I have to, in fact right now if I see there are violet flowers in front of me, like ground floor there, yeah. So violet is something that attracts. But I have seen that even here you have violet. The minute you get closer to them, if you see here this violet and gold, is you realize the main problem that I have with this aura is, or the flaw that I've seen is, especially because in V's life the karmic is the purple aura, like I say, the Shakuni, yeah. So is the manipulative nature. The main, like that, I always said that if I have to title this video, it would be Chugalkhor, yeah, Chugalkhor purple aura, yeah. So it's a manipulative nature. I hate the manipulative nature of this aura. So this is what you have to be careful in your journey, yeah. Identify who is the purple aura, learn how to, you can't, for especially, let me tell you, in 100%, after I reached a karmic victory, reached a lot of calmer place in my life, especially in the past 6 months, I've identified so many purple auras that I didn't know before were in my life, yeah. And I keep them at a distance. I keep them like, I'm not reachable easily, not accessible easily. Let me tell you, gold is the only aura that can know to see this. What are the true intentions? And the next is, it's like a, how do I say, 15%, 15, 20, like 20 if gold can see it, 15, orange can see. The more you start realizing and start growing up in your journey, you kind of don't associate, or you don't like, let me tell you, the purple auras in this circle, and everybody cut out. I'm talking about in my astrology community circle. I don't need to shout and tell these people are purple aura. It's self-implied, like everybody know that this person is a problem, yeah. So anyway, coming to the abundance card. So the abundance talks a lot about, I see all of you connecting with nature. That's the overall, or that is the common energy, yeah. So I'm seeing you guys connecting with the nature, okay. It's supremely hot here, dude, supremely hot. Okay, so it was very nice. I came here, shot a video. Let's see when I edit this, yeah. So okay guys, that's about it. Let's see what would be the title of the video. So I'm seeing a lot of gratitude, connection. I'm seeing even the divine masculine connecting with the nature. See, always it's very good to connect with the nature. You have to go and connect with the nature to activate your elements, okay. So that's about it. Yes, my lovelies, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Mwah. Bye guys.